Alright guys, just finished up this 21 F450. This one came to us from North Carolina. Real good customer. We've done about 3 for him. Done the BDS 4-inch kit. Got the Fox Resi shocks. This is the radius arm kit. .26-inch KG1s on 38 1350 Fury MTs. Got the Fox dual steering stabilizer. Customers color matched a lot of details on this truck to really make it look clean. He actually shipped us the mirrors and the tail lights to put on while we were doing it. And this is the 10-lug conversion. It's factory 10-lug, but it's been converted to the big 10-lug semi-pattern. Check out these tail lights. We also did the resis on the rear and the Firestone rear bag kit. I know that looks like a bunch of washers stacked up like that, but that's actually how Firestone designs it to make it adjustable. And that's the 5,000-pound bag kit. We paired that with the airlift control system. We just like the functionality of the airlift control system better. Unfortunately, they don't make the bag kit to work with this application on the lifted 450. Super sick looking truck. This thing is, I know the video does not do it justice. It is insane in person. Probably one of the cleanest dualies we've done. That's it on this one, guys. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, stay tuned for more.